When you sweep and mop to clean hardwood floors, you're not removing all dirt. Cleaning hardwood floors requires deep dirt extraction because without it, dirt, debris, and allergens settle into cracks and crevices. A professional hardwood cleaning is key to keeping dirt out of your floors. At Stanley Steemer, we use our USA-manufactured hardwood floor auto scrubber and 4-jet gecko to clean hardwood floors. Both machines use our patented wood floor cleaner and hot water to extract dirt, leaving your hardwood floors spotless. Our technicians have extensive training to clean hardwood floors, keeping your hardwood looking shiny, clean, and like new. Stanley Steemer is your hardwood flooring cleaner. We service solid wood, engineered wood, laminate, vinyl and luxury vinyl flooring, and linoleum. Our gentle, high-speed scrubber and pH-balanced hardwood cleaning solution reaches tough dirt and contaminants. Squeegees trap the dirt, and a powerful vacuum extracts it. Our trained technicians perform a detailed hand cleaning for hard-to-reach areas on your hardwood floors. Not only will we leave your hardwood floor cleaner, but we'll remove an average of 96% of common household allergens.
If you're ready for a professional cleaning, you can book your service today by clicking the link below.